of if I take the 2, so 2 means what is meaning? From Monday, it takes only MO, 2 characters. Tuesday, 2 characters it takes from every week. 2 characters. If I give that 2, Monday, first 2 characters. Tuesday, first 2 characters. If I take the 1 for Monday, only first character, header like this. Okay, observe here, I am giving the 1, right? You can see now. For Monday, what came? What is this one now? Right. Okay, Monday, M, Tuesday, T, like this. If I give the, suppose 3, it takes 3 characters from every week. Right, like this, month header, week header, right? If I take the 2, then, okay, 2 characters from the every week. Right there, week header. Right there. Week header of N, take it like this. Week header of week. Header of N like this. Week header of N. Week header of N. Header of N, right there. It will return the first n number of characters. The first n number of characters from each week. From each week. From each week. Right. So, and one more point, all of you observe. If I take the 3, what happens now? It gives 3 characters. If I take the 4, no, 3 only, maximum 3 only. Only 3. We have the week day abbreviation is there. Day abbreviation. Then how many are there? 3. So maximum 3 only. Means you can choose either 1 or 2 or 3. Above 3, if you any number, use 3 characters only. Suppose I am giving here 5, but use which one? 3 characters only. Right? Take the point. Take the point. Cameras. Either 1 or 2 or 3. 3, right? 3. Next point. If you give more than 3, then it will return 3 characters only. It will return 3 characters only. 3 characters only. It will return 3 characters only.